Used every single weapon you can think of.
That red line right there indicates where his killing became erratic and inexplicable.
I want to know him. I want to understand him.
You need to drop this investigation. You got a wife, you have 2 kids. Cassius doesn't care who he has to eliminate.
Who are you?
Cassius.
Guy's nothing but a killing machine.
Your husband is messing with a creature he thinks he stands, but he doesn't. He's very close to a dangerous man. He will kill your husband, like snapping his fingers.
Where is he? Let me talk to her! Go back to the car!